Self-adhered peel and stick underlayment is a great way to protect valleys from ice and water damage. Here's how to install it. Cut underlayment with a utility knife to manageable sized lengths, especially when working alone. On the adhesive side, locate the pull cord embedded along the center and pull it to split the backing in two. Then, center the piece in the valley, leaving a modest overhang at the roof edge. Holding its position, fold back one side and peel the backing away enough to tack it in place, and use firm hand pressure to smooth it out. Continue with manageable sections, pressing firmly towards the outer edges to make the seal. To complete, repeat the steps on the opposite side. For this underlayment available from Zip System, no rolling or fasteners are required, just firm, even pressure to make it stick. For subsequent pieces, be sure to overlap by a minimum of 3.5 inches. At the roof edge, trim the underlayment, leaving about an inch overhang so it just wraps the subfascia, keeping the elements out.
Hi, this is Fred Malik from IBHS and the Fortified Home Program. If you like that video, click subscribe to see more from Huber Engineered Wood Products. And if you want to learn more about Fortified, visit us at fortifiedhome.org.